Okay, early bird gets the sunrise. Just saw a beautiful sunrise this morning. We're now in Labadee, Haiti. We need to get on shore, so let's go wake up Jules, have some breakfast, and get out there. Good morning, time to get up. Rise and shine.
Are you kidding me?
It's gorgeous out, let's go. Chop chop. Oh, we doing sunglasses?
Yep, because the sun's finally out.
Okay, it's Labadee, Haiti. We're here and it's sunny and we're ready to go explore the beach, do a little shopping, and see what's...
Suntan.
Yes, suntan. All right, let's go. All right, got my camera bag. Let's go. Say yay, sunshine.
Hi, finally.
Oh, so nice. Oh, there they go. Jules, do you want a labadoozy?
I want to hike. I can hike.
All right, we're walking around the entire island in 10 minutes.
Private island.
Little private island, gorgeous. I want to stay. Don't want to go back. Let's just live here. Okay, I think we found the lunch. Yay! This is the coolest swim up floating bar, and Jules is over here with a little drink. The swim up bar is closed. Time to go back. Time to go back to the ship. All right, got some great footage. Just relaxing, ocean, turquoise waters, band playing in the background with some little tiki music. It's awesome. Time to go back to the ship. All right, we had a great day in Labadee, Haiti. It was awesome. Private island for Royal Caribbean. They've really raised the bar and put out a lot of activities that weren't there before. What'd you like about it, Jules?
I liked the sandbar boat excursion. It's beautiful turquoise water and there's shells everywhere.
And we didn't end up going to the sandbar because it was submerged, but then we went to Amiga
Island,
which was a little island, and we walked around and swam around. It was beautiful. And then when we got back, what did you like?
There were tons of beach chairs, there were floating bars, and it was great.
Yeah, very first
Neat market
class.
too.
Yeah. Good job, Royal Caribbean. We really liked it. So, all right, that's it for today, and we're going to have dinner and call this a wrap for tonight.
Good night.
And that may be a wrap of the video completely. So, thanks for watching.
Good night.